That's what's up. I ain't tripping. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to talk like Rand, you know what I'm saying?
They weren't able to get the playoff. That'll cost them fine.
Real talk. You know what I'm saying?
What you doing, girl? Why you been calling me? Why you been calling me? Y'all finna go shoot food?
Hey, no dogs allowed in the barbershop, man. You guys are crazy, man. You Negroes, you surprise me sometimes. Real talk.
You can draw too, man. We want to get us the
architect
up in here. You know what I'm saying? We got an yeah, what you gonna do?
An architect?
Yeah, don't build some float plane. Yeah, what?
Man, I'm feeling them shoes right there.
Hmm?
Feeling them shoes right there.
What shoes?
Oh, we got them.
Oh yeah, them hoes so fucking live, nigga. Them motherfuckers is off the fucking rocker, man. I feel you, cause real talk. It's like a delay on this shit, cause I'm cutting your hair through the camera. That's some new shit I ain't never done before, real talk. So feel good that you like the first ever. I've never did this shit using the camera to cut a nigga's hair. And there's a slight delay. Boy, I tell you, that shit right here is so live. If I cut you, I apologize in advance. Your hair looks so much better in real life. This camera doesn't do justice. You know what I'm saying, yo? You gotta roll with the outliner twos, yo. You gotta roll with the outliner twos, yo. Roll with the outliner twos, yo. Yeah, buddy. Gotta clean this shit up, man. This nigga has some nappy hair. My bad. It is recording.